Okay, so let me show you how to enter a Twitter giveaway. So here's one on the Hulu account, and they are telling you to reply with this hashtag, and then in this video, they're saying find a sweater that you want to win, and you use the hashtag that is under the sweater. So there's a bunch of sweaters here, but I picked this one here. It's an actual video, but I stopped it. So the hashtag is the great. So what we're going to go do is go below it, and then there's this icon for comments. So I'm going to tap that. There is the hashtag up here, so I'm going to select it, click and drag, and then you can do Control C, or I think it's Option C on a Mac. This is Control C on Windows, and I'm going to click in here and then paste that hashtag. And then from the video, I have to remember what it was, and it was the great. And that's all that they're asking for you to do. They're not asking you to tag anyone or do anything else. So you just need to read the description to see what they want you to do. And then I would hit reply, but this is Sweetie Sweep, so I don't enter giveaways on this account. So this was just for demo purposes. So then I will close that. But if you were going to tweet, that's all you would do is you would hit reply, and then that is how you enter when they're asking for a comment. Okay, so now here is a tweet, and they are asking you to retweet. So what we're going to do is RT stands for retweet. So we're going to scroll below it, and they're saying it's another giveaway, retweet and follow for a chance to win. So you have to make sure you click the three dots and that you're actually following them. So I have to hit follow. And then I'm just going to go down here, and all they're asking is a retweet. So retweet is this icon here. So you just tap it. It comes up. You can add a comment. Sometimes people add comments thinking it'll help them win. You can do that if you like. If not, you just hit retweet. And that is how simple that is to enter this giveaway, because they're not asking you to tag anyone. They're asking you to make sure you follow. So then you have to make sure you follow, and then you have to retweet. Simple. So the next one is how to tag someone. Okay, so AT&T is giving away a flip phone, and they are asking you to retweet. RT stands for retweet, and retweet reply to this post by a certain date, tag a friend, and include all of this. So this one's a little bit more complicated, but it's still pretty simple. So as usual, I would make sure I'm following them. Click the three dots, follow them. You don't have to, but it's probably a good idea. And we're going to scroll down and going to hit the retweet icon, and when you hit the retweet icon, it gives you a place to add a comment. So we're going to tag a friend and include all this. So I'm going to click and drag all of that and copy, Control C or Option C, and then I am going to tag a friend. So I'll just, it would be your friend's name. So of course that's not the real one, but it's whoever your friend's name. And if you look on the secret site, we have a whole page of people that you can use to tag if you don't have any sweeper friends that are, or regular friends that like entering sweepstakes. So that way you don't have to annoy your regular friends. You can use all these members that want to have you tag them. And then we're going to paste what the other information they said to include. Now usually what I do, it says this is a sentence, so I just kind of like delete those words in between, and to double click to select a word and delete. And so this is exactly what they want. It says retweet, tag a friend, and include this information. So like I said, when you hit that retweet icon, it comes up. Now I can add my information in this comments area, and then I hit the retweet, and it's all good to go. So that's how you do that. And then the last one would be, if they say like this tweet, it's just this heart icon. You just hit the heart. So we've got how to basically comment, how to retweet, and also add a comment, and then also like. So those are the three different ways that you can enter Twitter giveaways. And if you want to find out if you have been contacted, usually they'll tag you. So it's usually here under notifications. If you win something, you can see people tag me all day long. Or they heart. So you can see they've hearted or they've followed me or whatever. So this is where your notifications would be. Those are your public notifications. Messages are the private messages. So that would be what they call a DM or direct message. So this is where your private messages would be located. So these are the two things you want to check all the time to see if you won. So hopefully this has helped you learn how to enter Twitter giveaways, and now you can have lots more prizes that you can win.